Installation for the Osaki OS-3D Pro Cyber. The massage chair comes with 4 main pieces, 2 arm panels, 1 backrest, and 1 seat base, 1 manual, and 1 installation guide, 1 controller arm with a large controller bolt, 1 remote, 1 small bolt, 2 long bolts, and 2 small bolts, with 4 flat washers and 4 lock washers for the control arms, 1 Allen wrench, 1 split pin, 1 flathead rivet for the back arm. I also recommend having a pair of needle nose pliers. Before we start installing the arm control panels, we're going to go ahead and take apart the zip tie right here. This is where you're going to find your air valve terminal and your LED terminal and your air tube. We're going to cut this zip tie. We're going to go ahead and put them over here under this bar bracket right here. We're going to start off by assembling the arm panel first. We're going to start by putting these 2 clips on this arm, only about halfway. Now with your chair panel at a 90-degree angle, we're going to insert the air tube right here. Make sure you don't pinch the line. Next is the LED terminal. It's a little plug. Next is going to be the air valve terminal. And put the chair on. Now that our side panel is insecure, we're going to go to put our small bolts in the back. Remember, you have your small bolt, your lock washer, and your flat washer. For extra room, go ahead and put your arm pad up for a little extra room there. Insert with your hand. Use your Allen key and tighten. Only tighten about halfway, that way we can tighten up the front. Now go ahead and move your backrest pad back. Let's go ahead and get that front bolt in. The way we get in there, we have to unzip the seat right here. Now most of the time, it's going to have a zip tie on it, but you could use a paper clip if it doesn't have one. Go ahead and lift the seat up, un-velcro it. Your hole's going to be right here. Let's go ahead and put that front bolt in. Use the longer bolt. Remember, lock washer, flat washer. If it seems a little tight on you, you can move the chair up and down a little bit. That's why we keep the back bolt loose. Go ahead and tighten that down. Now when you're finished with the front, go ahead and tighten the back down. For installation of the other side panel, just repeat this process. Now that both side panels are both installed, you can go ahead and drop the seat. Zip her back up. There's 3 steps that we have to take before we put on the backrest. The first step is there's 4 extra valves we're going to take off Second, there's going to be a zip tie right here. Remove that. And this foam and tape. Okay, the third thing that we're going to do is there's a flathead rivet, and we're going to take that out with the split pin. Go ahead and place that right there. We're going to be using that in just a minute. Backrest installation. Go ahead and pick up the back and slide it towards the bottom base of the chair. Now that you've set the backrest in the bottom base area, we're going to connect our hose. There's 4 of these hoses, they're color coordinated to attach blue to blue and gray to gray. Also, the speaker bracket. Here's your blue and your blue from the backrest. Attach. Your gray from the backrest, the back hose from the back of the seat. Gray and gray. I'm going to repeat on the other side. Here at the bottom of the base, you're going to find your bracket harness for the speakers. Simply attach. Now we're going to put our backrest up. You're going to slide this backrest rivet into this U-hole. Set down and lock. After the backrest is done, plug in your black wire to the black plug and the gray wire to the gray plug. This is going to be your power cord. Simply plug in here, plug in your house outlet. This is your on/off switch. Now that the massage chair is put together, let's go ahead and put the backrest pad on. There's going to be 4 Velcros. Here and here, here and here. At the top of the pad, you're going to see a speaker connection. Put that together. There's going to be a zipper at the top lip. We're going to put that together. Your neck cover, and your pillow. This is going to be insulation of the control arm. Grab the control arm, fit it into place, use your large controller arm bolt, and attach it. After the installation of the control arm, you're going to grab your small bolt and put it into here. Then you're going to put this on the top of the ball, tighten down. Make sure it's firm. Grab your controller, lock into place.